So we're just gonna have a quick look at this universal hair diffuser. First, it's so pretty pink. A strange feature that they offer on there is, little tweezers and unscented pads that you spray your own scent on, and then you install them on the side here. Oops, there's a little spot there. You put the little pad in there and close it back up, and apparently it'll spray out scents. Now, that's not something I'm interested in, so that feature might appeal to someone, but it doesn't, I don't need it. But anyway, so it has really nice, well, first of all, I'll show you that part. The only thing I wish is that they were a little bit longer, because they're almost flush with this frame. And if you have thick hair, it's going to be it's kind of awkward for getting right into the roots where I like to put it, so that it dries your hair nicely, like holds the curl and stuff. Anyways, they're not, completely flush, but they are pretty small. Like my old diffuser had the prongs stuck out way farther, so you could get right into a thick head of hair. Anyway, the one thing that I do like about this, I did try out another diffuser, and you had to turn turn here, and it would open it up, and so you basically had to kind of hold it in place. It was tricky to get in. This one's nice because it has 2 buttons on each side, which you just press. Oops, what am I pressing here? Oh yeah. And then it just, and I can't do this with one hand. Anyway, it is actually really easy. See, you've got both. I'll just show you when the thing's not in there. So you just press that, and then you put your dryer in. The one thing that I'm really excited about is that I just started using this dryer, and it actually fits on here. My old diffuser, my other diffuser, it wouldn't open wide enough for me to use it on this one, and this one does. So yay, I get to use it with this dryer, which I'm really happy about. And yeah, I think that's about it. It doesn't feel like the most expensive piece. This piece here is completely plastic. I feel like it, with multiple uses or not being careful putting it back in like I'm about to try and do with one hand, it would probably break because it's just a really cheap piece of plastic. But the rest of this is, it's all plastic as well. Like my other diffuser, one of them, it was kind of more of a rubbery feel. This one's really hard plastic, but this feels strong enough that it's going to keep lasting, and it works great. I've already tried it out a couple of times, and other than, like I said, having the longer prongs, I'm pretty happy with this.
This is the GD900 Universal Hair Diffuser by GIHALI. Basically, it's a diffuser that you can attach to any hair dryer, and I got this because I travel a lot, and I really do hate to lug my hair dryer, but I always do because I need my diffuser for curly hair. And so I got this. It works really, really easily. So looks like this. You've got airflow coming from the spokes as well, and then all around. They're not adjustable. You've got these 2 buttons. So basically, very, very easy. You press these 2 buttons that open up so that it will fall around your hairdryer barrel, depending on it'll fit any size up to this. It's about 2.5 inches, so really big barrel size. This one's quite small, but just to demonstrate, open it up, put that in, and it closes right around it. So as you can see, it's gonna fit a wide number of hair dryers. So really, really like it. It does feel pretty secure. Of course, it will get knocked off, but I wouldn't expect anything to be firmer. You're gonna then damage your hair dryer. It has a really good grip. And just so you know that the pads that grip onto your hair dryer are rubber, so it's not going to damage your hair dryer. And as you can see, the ends are flexible. Quite ingenious the way that they've made this. And so diffusing is good. Not the best, but it works. Good enough for vacation. You also get these little pads and tongs. So basically, this is if you want to add scent to your hair. They're little pads that go into your diffuser, and you would spray it with perfume or cologne. So no essential oils and no massage oils, as it could clog and damage your diffuser, but you can use cologne or perfume. I've not used it, don't really care. Diffusing oil sucks it in, so I'm not sure how that works. I haven't tried it, but the hair dryer or in the diffuser works really amazing.
This is a review of this diffuser that I bought from Amazon. It was $25. I was so frustrated because I had bought this hair dryer that came with this diffuser, which seemed great. And it is great, except that it doesn't stay on. When you put it on, it like snaps on just a little bit. Snaps on. And it comes off super easy, like you just barely bump your head, or not even bumping your head. It just falls off. It'll just fall off. And then it hits you in the head or falls on the floor. You got to chase it down. This one is so amazing because you just, I don't know if I can do this with one hand. You push the little buttons. It has silicone in here. And you just push the little buttons. And it opens up. So it opens up really big. And then this is, I was worried because this is a small little end on here. It's not very big. So it's like this. It's not very big, but you just push. I'm going to have to try to set this down. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Hang on, I have to set this down so I can do it. Hold on. Okay. So I just push the little buttons and you just set it in there. It's very, very, very sturdy. It does not come off. And I dried my hair with it, and I can even set it like that. I dried my hair with it. I diffused my hair with a low temperature, and it did a really great job. I really like the way it looks and feels. It's such an improvement. It didn't take very long to do it, and I just still used a low temperature, just kind of low, in between low and cool. And I did not have to do this at all. I didn't have to chase it off the floor and underneath the vanity. No bumps on my head. I'm very happy. I just wanted to let you know what I think about this. I don't know what brand this is. I just looked it up on I think it's GIHALI. Whatever that is. $25 on Amazon. It comes in different colors. And I'm very, very happy with it.
Hi folks, today I am reviewing the Universal Hair Diffuser. Now, I really needed a universal hair diffuser because I have a couple blow dryers and I've lost one diffuser, so it was always a pain because like I would have to hold my diffuser from an old one and it wouldn't fit. So this is nice. As one can see, there's like clamps to hold various size diameter of the blow dryer. One just has to press these two side buttons and it will open, and then it will also lock in place. It also has, over here is this aromatherapy, so it just pops open and one can spray like essential oil or a like one's perfume. Now I find it just kind of added like aromatherapy in the room, it made my room smell fabulous, but it really didn't make my hair smell like my perfume. I was kind of hoping it would make my hair smell like my perfume, and it really didn't do that. It just kind of like created an aromatherapy in my bedroom. I mean, that's not a, like, I'm pretty okay with that because it makes my room smell nice, but I was hoping it would make my hair smell like my perfume, but it, you know, it didn't do that. So there's that. But that's kind of a cool little thing because I've never had a diffuser where you can like add essential oils. Oh, my bougie hairdryer had to tape it. I gotta get a new one anyway. But this is nice. It's a great size. It holds lots of hair, and it does a great job of keeping my curls from not frizzing. Yeah, so I hope this helps. Have a great day. So this was my regular diffuser, super huge and couldn't fit on many hair dryers. And this is the diffuser. The opening is very wide, and these little things can make it adjust to any hair dryer, and it's not too bulky, which I loved.
Hello Amazon, this is a 5-star diffuser that is also, you can use aromatherapy, which is amazing. So when you do your hair, it smells out of this world. It even comes smelling like so nice, oh my goodness. But it easily fits on most hair dryers. I'm not gonna say that it fits on every hair dryer. I mean, the more smaller, slimmer ones, it does. It just snaps on really quickly. But I absolutely recommend.
Buone che schissa, siamo nella vallata del Marecchia, c'è una bella collinetta.